First, open Leonardo AI and sign in to your account. To design a logo with Leonardo AI, start by deciding what kind of logo you want to create. Think about the brand name, industry, target audience, colors, visual style, and overall personality of the brand. For example, if you're creating a logo for a technology company, you might want a modern, minimal, professional design with a simple geometric symbol. Now open the image generation tool and write your prompt. Be specific about the logo style you want. You can mention words such as minimalist, modern, flat design, geometric, professional, clean, bold, or elegant. You should also describe the main symbol or concept you want the logo to represent. For example, you could ask for a minimalist technology logo featuring a simple abstract lightning symbol, clean geometric shapes, professional branding style, and a modern appearance. Next, choose the appropriate generation settings and start generating. Once Leonardo AI produces the results, review each design carefully. Look at the shape, composition, colors, readability, and whether the design actually represents the brand. If you want a different result, modify your prompt. You can change the symbol, style, colors, or overall design direction and generate another set of options. Keep in mind that AI-generated logos may sometimes produce unwanted text or inaccurate lettering. If the brand name needs to be perfectly readable, you may need to refine the design using a graphics editor after generation. Once you have a suitable logo concept, you can edit or enhance it using the available tools and then export the final image. And that's how you can design logo concepts with Leonardo AI